Okay. General Motors is about to make a move that could send shockwaves through the entire automotive industry. Imagine your 2016 Chevrolet Trax getting an AI upgrade straight from Google. Sounds futuristic, right? Well, buckle up, because this is happening. Just announced at GM's tech event in New York. They're rolling out Google Gemini AI to not just new models, but even cars as old as 2015. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this update is a game changer. And wait until you hear what they're planning for 2026. So here's the scoop. GM is integrating Google Gemini AI into their vehicles, replacing the older Google Assistant. But here's where things get really interesting. This isn't just for the shiny new cars coming off the production line. Nope. It's a backwards-compatible upgrade coming to millions of GM vehicles equipped with OnStar. That's right. Your old ride could soon be chatting with you like never before. This isn't just some minor tweak. We're talking a full over-the-air update that could revolutionize how you interact with your car. Now, in the competitive landscape of automotive tech, this move by GM is massive. Other automakers are going to have to play catch-up. During our chat with David Richardson, GM's Senior Vice President of Software and Services, he revealed that the main hurdle is the hardware. Basically, if your car's computer can handle it, you'll get the update. This isn't just about convenience. It's a leap forward in AI integration. Think of it as an upgrade to your car's brain. But what does this mean for the future of driving? Here's the part that's got everyone talking. Could this be a stepping stone towards fully autonomous vehicles? With AI like Google Gemini on board, the possibilities are endless. We're witnessing a shift in how cars will evolve. This could very well lead to a future where human OnStar assistants are replaced by AI, providing faster, more precise assistance. It's an exciting time for tech lovers and car enthusiasts alike. So, what do you think? Could your next conversation with your car be more engaging than you ever imagined? Drop a comment telling me which specific detail impressed you most, and don't forget to hit subscribe, because next week I'm breaking down another groundbreaking topic that you won't want to miss.